Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering the essentials now: driver license, VIN, registration, and any prior policy details. This saves back and forth later. Once done, open the insurer's quote page and enter vehicle year, make, model, mileage, and installed safety features. These factors determine rates. Make sure to choose coverage types: liability, collision, comprehensive, and pick a realistic deductible like $500 or $1,000, so quotes are comparable across companies. You now work through the detailed form fields. Be accurate because insurers verify info. Enter driver history, tickets, accidents, dates, and severity, since that affects your premium. Next, input vehicle usage, garage address, annual mileage, and commute distance in miles. Higher usage raises risk. Add all drivers on the policy with full names, birth dates, and relationship to you, and mark the primary driver. Once complete, review for consistency, so underwriting goes smooth. You finish by comparing final quotes and discount applications: bundle, safety, good driver, then select the best combination of price and coverage. Once chosen, accept the policy, e-sign the documents, and set your payment method. Confirm the effective start date so there's no coverage gap. If verification stalls, try clearing your browser cache or re-entering VIN and license info, and call support with the reference number. That typically resolves mismatches fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.